7 a.m. on Sunday morning.
A lot of snow.
The snow just stopped.
Yeah, but it's a lot of snow.
And we have to do what? Dig the car out to go drive to hockey?
I can't even see the sidewalk. It's like worse than this. It looks flat, like all the way across.
Did you panic a little bit this morning when I said we had to go?
Yes, I was like, oh. When you woke me up and said, let's go, I was like, what? I was like, what? But yeah.
You panicked because of how deep the snow is.
Yeah. I was like,
that's got to be 10 inches or more. That guy across the street shoveled. Look at how deep that is.
oh, dang.
Well, this is going to be an adventure. So all I know is you better win the hockey games today.
Yeah, I hope.
Because it's going to take us 2 hours just to get to the ice rink.
Yeah, and I thought they plowed.
I thought
they were plow in the back.
I thought they were going to cancel, but they did not.
You know how long this is going to take? They don't plow.
So here's to going to hockey.
Yeah.
In the aftermath of the storm that we just had. Because he has a game.
It's still nice and white, though.
At 8:45. Hey, Noah.
What?
That was an adventure.
Yeah, it's scary.
So we just drove to the ice rink.
In 11 inches of snow.
In 11 inches of snow.
It was very scary.
Because Noah has a hockey game in a half an hour. So we're late. I think most people are.
We're not late. We're on time because we made it before the game.
All right. Well, you do have a point. So come with us.
On the drive in the 11-inch snow. And yeah, I mean, it was pretty fun, though. It was pretty. It is pretty. It was very pretty. Even like going down here, it's pretty.
11 inches of snow. Yeah. Go team.
Now I'm going to play hockey now.
Good luck.
Hockey time.
As I was shoveling this morning, like I said, all I know is you better win this game.
I'll try.
No pressure.
No pressure. Wow, that hurt. That helps a lot.